Many founders tell me they hate systems. They are afraid. They think that if they document their work, they will lose their magic. They think they will become robots, so they keep doing everything themselves. They think if I don't do it, it will fail. But that mindset is a trap. It doesn't protect your quality. It's just guarantee your burnout. Let's use an analogy. Imagine a brilliant cook. He's realized entirely on his memory. He pictures a little salt here and a little pepper there. His food is delicious, but he cannot explain how he does it because the recipe is in his head. No one can help him. If he gets sick, the kitchen stops. If he is tired, the food tastes different. This is how most founders run their business on a memory. And this is dangerous. Now look at a professional chef. She is just upgrading, but she operates differently. She doesn't guess. She designs a recipe. She documents her magic so her team can replicate it perfectly every time. This is the secret. You cannot delegate your intuition. You can only delegate a process. Documentation is delegation. When you build a recipe, you are free to leave the kitchen. But here is where the people get stuck. They try to become the chef by buying software. They buy HubSpot or ClickUp and think, now I'm organized. That is the software fallacy. Buying a CRM from a broken process just creates digital chaos. Here is my rule, the Napkin Rule. If you cannot draw your process on a simple paper napkin, you are not ready for a software. Start simple. Your business needs a recipe. It needs a way to deliver excellence without your constant supervision. Stop buying ingredients and tools. Let's write your recipe first. In the strategic jumpstart session, we extract the process from your head and put it on a paper. We build your first recipe. Click the link below. Let's get you out of the kitchen.